Welcome to Study Time. Today I am talking about basic programming of C language. In our previous lesson, we discussed about what is the language, why it is used in our day-to-day life, and what is the purpose of this language. Today session is started with coding. So we can see that this is the coding. What is the purpose of this coding? To display Digital India in the output screen. So to display the Digital India in the output screen, coding looks like that. This coding is written in the Turbo C software. At first we discuss the coding in line by line. Has include stdio.h, next has include conio.h, after that void main, then clr, printf and getch. Now discuss about the individual of the keyword or statement. At first we go through the hash. What is hash? Hash is called preprocessor. It includes library of C into the program. Next we go through the include. What is include? Include is the header file of the program. It contains stdio.h, conio.h, math.h, string.h, like that. Then we go through the void. What is void? Void is a keyword. It indicates no value is returned by the function. Then main. What is main? Main is a function which is called entry point of any program. The execution of the any program starts from the main function. Then clr. clr stands for clear screen. Actually it is a predefined function which is used to clear the output screen. If we not use clr, then display screen show some garbage value. Next we go to the printf. What is printf? Printf is a predefined function which is used to show or display the data which is written in the second inverted comma. Okay, next we go the getch. Getch is a predefined function which is used to hold the output screen. Otherwise, if we not use the getch, then you can't see the output what you write in the printf. Next we discuss broadly of this keyword or statement. At first, what is hash? Hash is called preprocessor. It includes library of C into the program. What is include? To include header file of the program, as we say, like math.h, stdio.h, conio.h, string.h, like that. What is stdio? Stdio stands for standard input output. It is a collection of predefined function. It is also called library of C. Next we discuss about conio. What is conio? It stands for console input output. It is used to show the output in the console window. Next is void. Void is a keyword. It indicates that no value returned by the function. If we use any other keyword in place of void, like int, char, float, then we will use return keyword at last. This is the practical example how return keyword is used in the program. You see that at first here is written has include stdio.h, next has include conio.h. Both are the header file. Then in place of void I write int main. Then clr to clear the screen. Next printf, Digital India is the output and return 0. If we use the return 0 in place of getch, then you don't see the output because return 0 is a fraction of second. So when we press the Ctrl F9, it don't show any output. That's why always write void main and use getch at last. Okay, go through the next slide. What is the purpose of the main? It is a function which is called entry point of the any program. The execution of any program starts from the main function. If any program there is only one function, then it should be a main function. Then CLRSCR. What is CLRSCR? It stands for clear screen. It is a predefined function which is used to clear the output screen. Otherwise, display will show the garbage value. It acts like a duster in the output screen to erase something. It is defined in the conio.h header file. If you declare CLRSCR but not declare in the header file conio.h, then it will give an error. Next, we go to the printf. It is a predefined function which is used to print information or data in the output screen. It is defined in the stdio.h header file. Same thing I will tell the previously. If we use printf function, then it must be declared in the header file like has include stdio.h. Otherwise, the program will give an error. Then we discuss getch. It is a predefined function which is used to hold the output on the display screen. It is defined in the conio.h header file. If we use getch, then you show the output in the display screen. Otherwise, you don't show the output. Next, we go through the program. At first, you see that has include stdio.h, has include conio.h, void main, CLRSCR, printf, digital India, getch. Actually, this coded is right in the first page, our flash side. So this is the code written in the Turbo C software, and this is the output of our coding. Next, we discuss some library function and header file. Under stdio.h, this kind of function comes like printf, scanf, putf, getf, putw, getw, putc, getc, flash. This kind of function if you use, then you must be mentioned in the top has include stdio.h. Same thing, if we use getch is CLRSCR, you must be include has include conio.h. Same thing, strcopy, strcpy, strcat, strlength, strcmp. If we use this kind of function, then you must mention has include string.h. strcpy means string compare, strlen means talk about the length of the string, like that. Then if we use the math.h, then it's under math.h, pow function is come, pow means power, and sqrt function is come. Sqrt means square root. So this kind of function if we use, you must be mentioned in the header file. Thank you.